Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible. This one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $55,000 but did not sell. And I'll read the consignor's comments. He had multiple award winner, 1961 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible. Top of the line for Pontiac in 61. Body off restoration with less than 2,300 miles since completion. Original rebuilt 389 cubic inch V8 with 4-barrel AFB Carter carburetor. Super hydromatic transmission, 4-speed. Petronic solid state ignition. Rare aluminum 8-lug rims with spare 8x14 bias ply white wall tires. Bucket seats and rear bench and Pontiac tricolor vinyl. Power windows, power convertible top, power steering, power brakes, courtesy lights, clock, heater defroster, push button radio, passenger grab bar, padded dash, remote mirror, tonneau cover, 8-lug spare with original jack and detailed trunk, beautiful Coronado red paint with gold accent emblems, subtle hand pinstriping, deluxe Bonneville trim, full set of Pontiac floor mats, California car, registered in Oregon for tax purposes only, museum quality restoration, runs and drives excellent. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.